Hello! Wow, 2 years and a half. It's hard to believe it. I've been quite busy lately, but I hope I can somehow get back to making videos once in a while. For this one, I chose one of my favorite themes, birds. So let's draw. As always, I start with a quick sketch. I try to make it loose, so the sketch can still be a sketch. I don't want to go for elaborate paintings here. As you can see, I use a colored pencil for this stage. This is for two different reasons. One, it is brighter than graphite pencils. I often find that graphite's grey color make the paintings more muddy somehow. And reason two, I like putting a color in the construction lines as a first color theme somehow. I think it creates a more vibrant relationship with watercolor that is transparent paint, so you can see the underlayer. As always with watercolor, I try to put several colors in one. I take advantage of watercolor's very good blending properties to enrich all areas. I start with the brightest colors to make decisions about the color scheme that I want to use. It's okay if I don't get it right away, because watercolor becomes lighter when drying. So it's not as bold as it may seem when I go for vivid colors at this very first stage. You can see now how the blues and oranges of the belly became really light now that they're dry, all the more because of the contrast with the head's dark colors, so I can easily go back to that area later if needed. I often use white gouache with watercolor to create highlights and add details. I have absolutely no complex about that. And here is the first sketch. A good attempt to warm up, I think. As I said before, I try to stay loose, but it doesn't mean that I draw carelessly. We often think it's okay if the first sketch is not accurate because I'll correct it while painting. But, for me at least, this never really works. If the pencil sketch is too neglected, I nearly never manage to really save the drawing with paint. As you can see, I use a quite big brush compared to the size of the drawing. This is on purpose. It forces me to stay loose and not to go for too much details. I really recommend this trick for sketching. We often think of watercolor as a light and transparent medium, with this idea that pigments are always very diluted in water, but to me it's a mistake to forget too much about values and contrast. Even with watercolor, darks should be dark to contrast with the lights. As you can see, I sometimes use very dark colors by melting a lot of pigments with very little water. Those dark colors may seem black on your screen, but they're not. I always go for dark browns, purples or burgundy reds to have more vibrant colors. I'm not very happy with this one. It's like I couldn't decide between loose sketch or detailed shapes. Some areas are too naive. For some others I struggle with details. Even the colors, like of lights and shadows, so that everything seems quite flat. But it's okay, it's just a sketchbook. For this third bird, I wanted to draw a more closed-up view, to change from the others, but also to create a more interesting page composition. I really love painting the white areas, because it's never actually white. It's made of an infinite number of very light colors of all kinds. It's very rich and interesting and vibrant. There's a whole world of different hues in a realistic white, and I love trying to find them. I thought adding a background color could be a good idea, but I can see now that the contrast with the bird's color is not strong enough. To make the bird appear white, the background should have been way darker. Here it's nearly the same value, so it didn't change things much. I wasn't very happy with the rendering of this one either. Once again, I hesitated between loose quick sketch and more detailed painting. You see here, the feathers pattern is neither just suggested quickly, nor very realistic and precise, so in the end, to me, it's not a good result. You can see me here come back with colored pencils or pastel pencils to make the whole sketch more coherent and try to save it, but I'm not sure it made things better in the end. As you can see, it's really okay to mess things up sometimes or be disappointed by your work. This is what a sketchbook is for. It should be a safe place where you try, exercise, create very ugly things from time to time, and not caring at all about it. It's very important if you can find this state of mind. And here is the full page. I'm very happy to be back, or at least trying to be. I hope you enjoyed this video and that I'll see you for the next one. Bye bye!